want somebody to like help me because it's a nightmare. Freak out that.
And the I-Team troubleshooter is helping this Chapel Hill woman who was charged with crimes she says she had nothing to do with. The woman went to police and also to the district attorney's office for help, but she wasn't able to get anywhere with that.
Yeah, so that's when she turned to us, our troubleshooter, Diane Wilson. And so, Diane, you were able to get her some results.
You know, this is an absolutely crazy story. This mom spent her Mother's Day weekend not only learning she had 2 criminal charges attached to her name, but then spent the weekend trying to clear her name.
I've just been spinning my wheels and getting like absolutely nowhere.
Frustrations for Amanda Kranak after she learned she had 2 charges in her name: trespassing and resisting a public officer. This all stems from an incident in this Durham neighborhood.
My sister lives down the street a teeny bit, so I park my car here when I'm visiting her.
While Amanda's car was parked here, it became part of how she got criminally charged.
The doorbell camera is monitored by the family, and they reported her trying to like break in and stuff.
Her, not being Amanda, but another woman, when Durham police responded to the trespassing call.
She claimed that my car was her car, so he ran the license plate, pulled up my driver's license, and at that point she was charged in my name.
Once Amanda learned about the charges, she says she went right to the Durham Police Department and spoke with the arresting officer. Amanda says the officer said the woman had no ID on her, and he charged the woman based off saying Amanda's car belonged to her.
He just said, "You look, nothing like her," and asked if I had given anybody access to my car, which I had not. He took a look at my licenses and he said, "I understand I made a mistake."
Amanda says she also went to the magistrate and the Durham District Attorney's office to get the charges out of her name, but says she was told she must show up at her court date in June.
I don't want to have to get a lawyer for something I didn't do.
Amanda reached out to me.
You get the job done. And I was like, if there's anyone that can help me, it would probably be you.
I got right on the case. Durham police tell me that the charging officer did attempt to correct it with the magistrate's office and was referred to the Durham DA's office, but then went on their scheduled week off. Once I alerted the office of the chief about this case, DPD says they contacted the DA's office and got the criminal charges dismissed. And both DPD and the Durham DA's office says they're working to expunge the charges from Amanda's record. As for Amanda,
you were my saving grace, and I know that no one was calling me back, and I do know that no one would have called me back had you guys not gotten involved. So I'm very grateful for that.
And you are welcome. What a problem to solve. Now, the Durham District Attorney's Office added that the court process does allow for the dismissal of charges due to mistaken identity or identity theft, which, of course, was clear what happened in this case. But I mean, I've been here 20 years, guys. This is one of my top 5 crazy stories.
This is really wild. And you got things done at the courthouse, got them to change their mind, got it all taken care of.
To charge someone based off saying, that's my car.
Yeah.
I mean, I've just never heard of it.
Amazing. Glad it's all cleaned up.
Yes, she
Diane,
is.
thank you.
Thank you, Diane.